Why does my cat sleep under blankets? If you've ever wondered why your cat loves to snuggle up under blankets, you're not alone. This behavior is quite common, and there are several reasons behind it. First, let's talk about comfort and security. Cats often seek out warm and safe spaces, much like their wild ancestors who used enclosed spaces for protection. Your cat might find the blanket to be a cozy den that makes them feel secure and comfortable. Another reason is the instinctual behavior linked to their predatory instincts. Even though they're not hunting in the wild, the act of burrowing under a blanket can be a leftover from their ancestors who used hiding to stalk prey. This behavior can also be a sign of trust in you, as they feel safe enough to hide and relax in their most vulnerable state. Sleep. Cats are also very sensitive to temperature and often seek out warmth. If your cat has thinner fur, they might find the blanket especially appealing, especially during colder nights. Even cats with thicker fur might enjoy the extra warmth, as their body temperature is naturally higher than humans. In addition to warmth, the blanket provides a sense of protection from the environment. This can reduce stress and promote deeper sleep, as it shields them from noisy or stressful surroundings. The familiarity and comfort of your scent under the covers can also be very appealing to your cat. It's also important to note that cats are highly observant of their surroundings and protective of their bodies. Sleeping under a blanket can make them feel hidden and less vulnerable to potential threats, even if it's just the hustle and bustle of household activity. To ensure your cat's safety while they sleep under blankets, make sure the blanket is made of breathable material to prevent overheating. It's also crucial to leave an opening for better airflow and an easy way out, so your cat doesn't get trapped. In summary, your cat sleeps under blankets because it provides them with warmth, security, and a sense of comfort. By understanding these reasons, you can better accommodate your cat's natural instincts and create a nurturing home environment for them.